Hello, grade 4 students. This is Unit 3 Citizenship, Lesson 1 The Arab Islamic Identity and the Factors Influencing Its Formation. Objectives: identify the traits that make one an Arab and a Muslim, and discuss the concept and importance of identity. First, let's talk about Arab Islamic identity and the factors influencing its formation. So, Qatar involves many individuals who belong to different states and countries. However, each of them has his own distinct language, private culture, customs, and traditions which are different from those of others. So, we cannot expect each person to be the same. We all have our unique traits and characteristics, and all of these are shaped by our culture, customs, and the country where we belong. Some of them embrace religions other than Islam. All of this has marked each one of them with an identity that distinguishes them from others, and generally we can conclude the following points. So first, we can conclude that the concept of identity refers to the group of qualities and behaviors that the individual acquires through culture, religion, and history of his society, and through the customs and traditions of his nation, which distinguish him from others. So at this point, I invite you to pause the video and to think about the different customs and traditions that you have that would make you an Arab Muslim. Okay, and also certain factors in your culture, religion, and history of society of Qatar as a whole that could also play a role in influencing who you are. So identity basically talks about your sense of self or who you are as a person. So second, what is the importance of identity? Why is it important for you to know who you are or to develop that sense of self? One, it grants the human being originality and distinction. So when you say originality, it means whatever sets you apart from other people, that uniqueness in you. And distinction would mean the same. How distinct are you compared to others? And also, how can you be distinguished when faced with other people? How different are you as an Arab Muslim? And two, it liberates them from dependency and imitation so that they can feel their value and role in life. So although we acknowledge the contributions of different cultures to our own, it's always good to have some sort of independence, okay? To not imitate or copy others, right? To have our own so that we can identify ourselves based on these factors, and also we would know what we aspire to or what our roles are in life based on our identity. So third, let's talk about the concept of Arab Islamic identity. What exactly does it mean to be an Arab Muslim? So Arab Islamic identity refers to distinct qualities and private behaviors derived from the history of the Arab nation, its heritage, and the principles of the Islamic religion. So not only are you going to refer to past events that has shaped the culture, okay, of the country, but also heritage, meaning whatever these things are that you have inherited from your ancestors, traditions and customs, and also the teachings of Islam as a faith system. So all of these play a role in shaping the Arab Islamic identity. So you can learn more by checking out Qatar History and Citizenship Grade 4. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.